Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm showing you how to make Southern style baked macaroni and cheese. So stick around. Let's get started. Alright, so here's what you're going to need for the mac and cheese. So some eggs, evaporated milk, elbow macaroni, half and half, butter. I'm using triple cheddar, mild cheddar, sharp yellow cheddar, Muenster cheese, a little bit of Velveeta, and some sharp white cheddar. So let's get started. I almost forgot, you're also going to have some paprika, mustard powder, and white pepper, and salt, of course. Okay, if you can find the chunk of Muenster cheese, if I had gone to Publix, I could have gotten it, but I went to Food Depot. So I just get the slices and I cut them like this. And I stack the cheese on top of one another and I just cut it in chunks. And the Velveeta, I cut it in chunks. You can even buy the other cheeses in a chunk and cut it, but I was being lazy, so I bought the one that's already shredded. So yeah, there's that. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to salt your water for your pasta, and you're going to bring that up to a boil. So now I'm going to add in my pasta. This is 2 pounds of Ebola. Now you're going to let your pasta cook for about 7 minutes. Go by your box and until it's al dente. You're gonna go by the directions on your box because every pasta brand is, the cook time is a few minutes off. So make sure you check the box because this one says cooks to al dente in 9 to 11 minutes. So just check it. Like I said, go with the box you're using. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a bowl or whatever, measuring cup. Make sure you have one big enough. Take your eggs. You're gonna pour in your heavy cream or your half and half, whichever one you want to use. I normally use heavy cream, but Food Depot is out of heavy cream. And then you're gonna add in your 2 cans of evaporated milk, 2 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk. And this is just a pint of heavy cream or half and half. Then you're going to add in your spices. Paprika. Paprika is really just for color. So white pepper. And a little bit of mustard powder. Just a little bit. And then a tiny bit of salt. Okay. You're gonna put that in the refrigerator until it's time to use it. So now that you've got your pasta drained, go ahead and preheat your oven to 350. Now that you've cooked your pasta, you're gonna add a stick of butter while it's hot so it can melt. This is not only seasoning the pasta because you're getting that butter taste, but it's also cooling it down. Alright. So when that's done melting, and I let it cool off as well. Okay, now that I have My pasta cooled down a little bit. It's not cold, but it's also not piping hot. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, see, it's not piping hot, but it's also not cold. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my cheeses and my custard out. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add everything except my mild cheddar. Add all the cheeses except my mild cheddar, I should say. There's my Muenster. And you're going to add all the cheese. Remember, this is 2 pounds of pasta. And these bags are 8 ounces. So that's roughly 2 cups of cheese. Okay, so I'm gonna mix that. I'm just going to mix it so that the cheese is mixed, distributed well throughout the pasta. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take about 1.5 tablespoons of butter and butter my pan or casserole dish or whatever. You can use a disposable pan if you want. I'm just gonna use this. It's one of those USA lasagna pans. I love these pans. Alright. So now what you're gonna do, you're going to pour your pasta and cheese into your pan, hopefully without making a mess. Alright, there you go. And then you're going to add your other cheese on top. Alright, so now you're going to add in your custard. I'm going to add it all over. And this recipe can be halved, it can be doubled, it can be tripled, quadrupled, however you want to do it. Alright. So there you want to make sure it's down. And you're going to put it in a 350-degree oven, preheated oven. And you're going to let it cook and let it bake for about 20 minutes. And then you're going to check it, and then we'll go from there. Making a mess. All right, so there you go. See how creamy that is? So there we go. So I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you try this recipe. I hope that you enjoy it. Let me know if you try it. Also, let me know what some of your favorite things to add into your mac and cheese. So I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.